So this sneaker originally released October 18th on Cactus Plant Flea Market, and then we saw our Nike sneakers release October 20th, and on both days the sneaker retailed for $220 plus tax and shipping. So I just got these in hand and I'm just looking around, and the shoe is very interesting and also very high quality. So we have this like waffle pattern kind of a tire look like that goes all around the outsole all the way up to the midsole, and it wraps around the toe. We have a nice like suede super thick three-dimensional swoosh that I really like. We also have like a neoprene upper with nylon going around, adding a little bit more structure to the sneaker. We have two huge Velcro straps, and there's no laces on the sneaker at all whatsoever. This shoe is just crazy. Even the tongue is like, I thought it was a double tongue, but I will probably continue to call it a double tongue, but it's actually a singular tongue with another layer sewn onto the top. The tongue reads Flea 2 Just Do It, and it has a yin and yang symbol with a Nike like box logo type of feel. Back tab says Air Flea 2 Air. Very interesting. Double back tab, double tongue, one large swoosh, double straps, like little grommets going all over, or like pins, or I don't know what you want to call it, but a very interesting sneaker. We even have a footprint on the outsole that glows in the dark, and it's like, it's cool additive, very interesting, but you can't even see it. No one's gonna see this, but it's there and it's super cool. The quality on this shoe is very good. There's a little bit of glue marks where the tire, outsole, midsole like connects. There are multiple parts to it. It's not just one thing molded around the shoe, but other than that, there's no issues. The threading is good, the sewing game is good, nothing is loose. Just a little bit of glue like I mentioned. I think this is a great shoe. What is a little bit weird is the little pins on the back of the swoosh and the pins on the strap where it's supposed to like align. They don't always align, or maybe it's because you gotta do it a certain way. If I do it like too far, it won't match up, but I gotta figure out how to align the straps in a way where all the pins will like meet up, because the swoosh will definitely fall off the shoe. Especially with me, I'm running around New York City all day. I don't want to lose my swoosh. I can't go to a store and buy another one. If it's gone, it's gone. And even though I think personally the sneaker looks great without the swoosh is the appeal. The swoosh is like, yo, what's that? You know what I'm saying? Like if I'm wearing this regular, people who are not in the sneaker game, who is not up on their shoes, like they won't really know what this is. But if you put that swoosh on there, they're like, yo, Nike made that? Like, what's that? Like, it's a cool conversation starter. It's a nice head turner. I might even turn somebody into a sneakerhead that day. Them seeing my shoes, chopping up with me, then they're going online trying to figure out what the next shoe is. You know, just take it forward. That's how some of us got started in the game. You know, we see somebody with a crazy shoe, we're like, yo, bro, what's that? We go home, we go online to look it up, we end up buying the shoe, we fall in love with that shoe, we start buying more, and next thing you know, fast forward a year, 2 years from now, we're sneakerheads. So I think this shoe is definitely great. It's high quality, it's crazy, and it is indeed comfortable. I know y'all want to hear about sizing. What you're gonna have to do is tap into my next video that's dropping tomorrow, where I do a full in-depth review of the sneaker, and I will go over sizing. I might even post another video after that next one that's just dedicated to the sizing of the shoe, because a lot of people are saying conflicting things, and I have a pair in hand. I have a pair that I'm going to put on my feet, and I'll have the true answers for y'all. But to summarize, this shoe is very interesting. It's very comfortable. I think it'll look great on feet. It'll definitely be a polarizing shoe. It's already a polarizing shoe. I don't think it'll be hard for me to pull off an outfit with this, but I'm gonna love trying to put together a fit. I definitely need baggier pants, like skinny pants, slim pants is not gonna work with this. What I really want to do is try to like dress these up. Like, are we gonna look good with like some pants and a cardigan, maybe a polo? We'll see. But before you get out of here, my name is CClaxton, and this is my platform, Something Like Media, a hub for all things sneakers, fashion, celebrity events, photography, videography, just pop culture all in general. If you want to see my next video on these, you need to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and you also need to turn on post notifications so you are notified when my videos drop. If you want to see more sneaker reviews, you want to see more on feet, you want to see more in-depth reviews on sneakers, you need to subscribe to my channel. This is also my series, Kicks Off with Chris, because my name is Chris, and kicks, sneakers, footwear is definitely for me. So once again, if you like what you see, tap in with me. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's Something Like Media. It's the exact same name as this platform. Thank you for watching. I have an unboxing playing right after this, so don't click off yet. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.